Hello, Calculus. Hope the first couple weeks have gone well. This is an intro to week 3. We're really going to get into hardcore like derivatives, how to do them, not just theoretically, but actually how you do them. The first lesson, though, is finishing up the definition of derivative. It's what I like to call Hell Week of derivatives, but it's just one day. And then you get into some rules about derivatives. And finally, it will be a quiz about derivatives. There's something special this week. It's called Step by Step. It's a 2-page document where you're going to have to show me that you understand some of these things. Um, right there, it's called Step by Step A, and you'll print that off or do it on your screen, whatever. It's PDF. Find a way to submit it to me, and I will look at it. Other than that, shouldn't be anything too shocking. Hope things are going well. Don't forget to discuss your homework questions right there. I will be looking at those later. I don't intend to be the one answering questions, but I'll step in if I need to. All right, that's it. Adios.